show you how to use the ice machine. So what you want to do is hit the start button. That button there. Now, you could either get water from the faucet, or in this case, I'm going to use the filtered water from the refrigerator. And I'm just going to pour it in. And that's it. It will take, oh, I don't know, 15 to 20 minutes for the first bit of ice to start. And it will just keep making ice until it runs out of water. When it runs out of water, you'll see this light will turn red. And in the next video, I will show you how to make sure that when you turn it off, you drain all the water out and let it dry out for the next time you want to use it. Okay, so this video is going to be how to make sure that all the water is out of the ice machine. Okay, first things first, we're going to go ahead and we're going to click pause. And then what's going to happen is that the water that's kind of in the well is going to get moved out of the well. Okay, once you put it on pause, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag it over to the sink. And if you look down, there's a little plug. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to reach underneath and I'm going to open the plug open and let the water drain out. Now the last thing I'm going to do, and I'm not sure exactly why this is the way, but this is the best way that I've figured out how to do this. I'm going to unplug the ice machine. And then I'm going to plug the ice machine back in. And what it does is it resets and takes all the water that was sitting kind of in the back part of the well and it pushes it forward. And as you saw, all the water is draining out. And then what I do is I'll unplug it again and then I'll just leave it like this overnight. And with the dry Vegas air, it will dry out and then I'll tuck it back in the corner.